Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain, and I wanted to show you this card that I've done. Now, I'll confess, I did cut this one out on my laser. However, there's no reason why you can't do it on your cutting machine. I had my laser on for something else and I thought I'll just cut it on that. So we have a couple of layers. We have the base card, and we have this piece here which is cut out with some hearts shapes cut out of it basically. Then we have a couple of layers of the frame which I've topped off in gold mirror card. I have put a little bit of decoration here and I put a little bead here. Now this text is actually engraved with my laser, but the whole idea of the file is that you can put a pen in your cutting machine and either use a pen to do the text, or you can put the glue pen in and then foil it afterwards. So there were, I think, 2 layers of this shape here plus the gold layer on top. And then as I put this little decor piece on. Now this decor piece you can't buy, I made it myself. It's a piece of wood cut out with a laser with some gold ribbon stuck to it first before it's cut out, and then I topped it off with resin. But it does make a very nice sort of charm. The window here has been backed by some, what I would call sort of angel film or unicorn film, and I did a video on how I made that recently, so yeah, you couldn't see that. Now, a couple of things that I wanted to let you know. This little gem here was not actually yellow. This was a pearly white gem, and all I did was I used an alcohol marker to colour it in such a way that it would match my gold foil. Easy peasy, you can do it with whatever colour markers you have. So if you go for just little white gems, remember, you can colour them whatever colour you feel like. Now the other thing that I wanted to show you was this stuff. Not sponsored, it's glue for gems, and I bought it off of Amazon. I wouldn't say it's the cheapest glue on the market. However, I'm impressed because when I applied this piece here, I put a little bit of glue on the back of it, put it down, 5 seconds, no more than that, and it was stuck down. It wouldn't slide around and move. Brilliant. And it does mean, because it's designed for gems and stones and all the rest of it, it's designed for things which don't absorb glues as well as those that do. Because this, you can put gems on your clothing and wash it. It will also glue plasticky things. So for example, this is normally quite difficult. A foiled card is normally quite difficult to stick onto unless you use a dry glue. It sticks on that, no problem. I even used it to stick the plastic film on the back of here, no problem. So yeah, if you're looking for a glue for that sort of thing, this is pretty good. It's got a nice fine nozzle on it. It's not overly thick, but it's not runny. And yeah, it does the job really, really well. I'm very pleased with that. So this is probably the last video you're going to see from me for the summer. I have some health issues I need to take care of, and I'm going to be taking a break. But hopefully I'll be back in the autumn. I will still be lurking on the Facebook groups, but my posting will be somewhat sporadic, spotty, and just as and when I feel able to do it. Hope to see you again soon. Take care now. Bye.